Okay, so today we are going through tutorial 5. This is the question given. Given a set of tasks defined by the following parameters. Set of tasks with parameters. So, the first question. Apply the processor utilization factor test. Do the tasks meet their deadlines? To find out about this, you need to use this formula. What is this formula? C here means the capacity. T means the period. You take the capacity, divide by the period, and then I equals to 1. I means it starts from which task. For here, it starts from T1, means I equals to 1. N means the last task. For here, it's 3. So you take the capacity, divide by the period, and you add up from the first task to the third task. So after calculation, we got 7 divided by 29, 1 divided by 5, 2 divided by 10. We get all these values here. Then we sum it all up. If it's over 100%, it's not schedulable. So when we sum it up here, we get 0.64, which falls under the second condition. It's smaller than 69%, so which means it's schedulable. Okay, so we're going to be for the next question. Draw the scheduling sequence of this task test during the 30 units of time with preemptive schedule. So what is preemptive and non-preemptive? So basically, if you know what non-preemptive is, you know the opposite of it. So a non-preemptive means the scheduling in which a running process cannot be interrupted by any other process, which means it's called a non-preemptive scheduling. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the previous given question with the parameters. Okay, so I'm going to give an explanation about preemptive. Okay, so at first we need to check its period. The lower the period it is, the higher priority it is. So for here, T2, it has the highest priority. Then T3. Then lastly, T1. So what exactly can you see from this preemptive schedule? So from 5 period, the capacity has 1. Means for every from 1 to 5, T2 will have 1. It will run 1 time. For every 10, it will run 2 times. 1 to 10, it will run 2 times. Okay, so first we start at T2. It runs the first time, then it will run T3. T3 runs 2 times. Then we continue from T1. Because T1, it has 1 to 29, it runs 7 times. Means when T3 finishes, it will run. But when it runs 2 times, it's already 5. Which means the number 6 to 10, the next 5, T2 will run first because it has the highest priority. So for 6 here, T2 will run first. Then T1 will continue running. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will continue running 4. Then until 11, because T3 every 10 it will run 2 times. So until 10 here, until 11, it's actually 11 until 20, it should run 2 times. But at 11, T2 has the priority first because it every 5 times it runs 1 time. So at here, you run T2 first. Then T3 2 times. Then T1 it will run first time. Then the reason why here is empty is T1 has already finished running 7 times. T2 every 5 times it will run 1 time. 5, 10, 1 time, 15, 1 time. And then T3 every 10 it will run 2 times. 2 times, 2 times. That's why here it's empty because they both finish their period. So basically it's all of it. The non-preemptive version is it doesn't has the priority, so it will finish its stuff first, then it will continue running it. Okay, thank you, that's all.